It has voice command and it has touch sensitivity.
I can hear what she's saying, and I also have a screen on top of me where I can read. First time I see a device like this. I didn't know, like technology is so advanced.
We have an AI teacher. We scan our paper and then you can show the camera what kind of questions you want to ask for the teacher.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are in beautiful Shenzhen and right now with a very special friend.
Hey guys, I'm Liz. I'm a journalist from South, and today we're going to explore the top 8 AI products here in Huaqiangbei.
This is the largest electronic market in the whole world. I really can't wait to see all these amazing products.
So, let's go.
Let's go. Huaqiangbei in Shenzhen is now booming with AI. Recent data shows that overall tech sales of Huaqiangbei have increased more than 30%, driven largely by new AI gadgets. Products like AI smart glasses have seen sales jump 70 to 80%, while drones and robots grew 30 to 50%. Buyers from all over the world are coming here to grab the latest AI gadgets.
So, Rafael, today I'm going to show you something really cute and fun.
I'm curious about it.
Dun, dun.
Whoa, that looks so nice, like a small zoo.
His name is Mita, and you can and say hello to him. It has voice command and it has touch sensitivity.
The global AI toy market reached about $18 billion by 2024 and could grow to nearly $60 billion by 2033. In China alone, the market is already worth more than 24 billion yuan.
Most amazing part is, look what it is.
Oh, it's like a small bamboo.
Right, to try to feed him.
One big reason people love them is simple. They provide emotional companionship without the responsibility of a real pet.
That's awesome because I think these kind of toys can offer like an alternative for like older people or little kids, right? So some people might not have access to have a pet or a real dog or a cat, but they can have these cute, smart AI pets.
The next product is going to blow your mind.
What are those?
It's AI glasses.
AI smart glasses is one of the fastest growing products in Huaqiangbei. These devices combine a camera, real-time translation, navigation, and AI assistance all in a pair of glasses.
So it has 3 main functions. The first one is it has AI model in it. You can ask it the questions and he will answer you.
Hi Rocket, is it gonna rain today in Shenzhen? Oh yeah!
Right!
Some models can even record meetings, summarize conversations, and recognize objects or text in front of you, turning them into a wearable AI assistant.
I can hear what she's saying, and I also have a screen on top of me where I can read.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, other than AI, where I can ask questions, what else can we do with this?
It has a camera on it.
Oh
So
yeah, I can see here.
Take photos, take videos, and more you can do is scan the QR code to pay.
Oh, so directly, instead of using my phone, I can just look at it and scan it?
Sure.
Behind Huaqiangbei's AI boom, it's not just the market. Strong policy and funding are driving it. A 100 million yuan level AI fund and the AI Plus plan help startups with funding, computing power, and API access. And the secret? OPC, the one-person company ecosystem. That means even a single entrepreneur can quickly turn an idea into a product, thanks to Shenzhen's compressed industrial environment. And with suppliers, services, and manufacturing all connected, products can go from design to mass production within a week. This combination of policy, capital, and OPC is what makes Huaqiangbei the world's AI hotspot.
So another product that's popular in the list is this one, AI watch. It can take care of your health. It helps measure your blood pressure.
Oh.
And also it has AI system. After you measure your blood pressure, it will help you to do a report about your whole health situation.
Oh, for the report as well. Okay, so I guess
You have to do like
goes
this.
like this, right? This is the right position.
Yeah.
And it will just take a few seconds.
50 seconds.
50 seconds,
50
and it will
seconds.
give me a report. First time I see a device like this, I didn't know, like technology is so advanced that you can pack it in such a small device to take care of something as important as your health, your blood pressure, and it can give you a report about it in just a very small device.
That's how AI helps people's life.
Yeah, that's awesome.
China produces over 45 million smartwatches every year, making it one of the world's largest hubs for wearable tech. Today, AI is making these devices smarter than ever, offering health monitoring for heart rate, sleep, and stress, as well as AI-powered fitness coaching that adapts workouts to each user.
AI is really mind-blowing. I want to see more things.
AI not only can help you to take care of your health, it also can help you learning.
Okay, show me something that helps you to do that.
That's it.
This one here.
The AI learning devices are especially popular among families. These tablets and educational tools act almost like a personal tutor, offering personalized lessons powered by AI and language learning with real-time pronunciation feedback.
This is AI learning devices.
Okay.
And if you have any questions about your learning, about your homework, you can ask it. We have an AI teacher for each student. First of all, we scan our paper. He will take the photo of it. And then you can show the camera what kind of questions you want to ask for the teacher.
Okay.
I pointed.
Wow, so basically it's taking a picture and scanning the information on it. This is a really powerful tool, I think, nowadays to improve the learning process for kids. Instead of having a private tutor or just having access to your teacher all the time, you have this device that using artificial intelligence to explain things clearly to the kid.
And it's much affordable to the normal families because, in China, a lot of people can't afford the 1-versus-1, the private tutor.
Yes.
So this one really solved this problem. So, Rafael, how about your Chinese?
Well, I'm still working on it.
I know. I have an AI product to help you for this. AI translator.
Oh, a translation device.
It has DeepSeek and ChatGPT in it.
Different AI models.
Different AI models, and you can talk with it.
AI translators are portable translation devices that are incredibly useful for international travel and global trade. Many models now support over 100 languages, provide real-time conversation translation, and even work offline when traveling.
今天来到华强北，感觉怎么样？
¿Cómo te sientes al venir a Huaqiangbei hoy?
Me parece un lugar increíble con mucha tecnología.
在我看来，这是一个拥有大量技术的令人难以置信的地方。
What started as simple as voice assistants have evolved into AI-powered home hubs. They can control smart home devices, answer questions, play music, deliver news, and even hold conversations powered by large language models.
Can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
I'm Lily, captain of the cheer squad, full of energy, warmth, and a big heart for lifting others up. Whether you're celebrating a win or just need a little boost, I'm here with a smile, a cheer, and always in your corner. I love meaningful chats, playful moments, and making every interaction feel special. So tell me, what's on your mind today?
I don't feel very happy today. Can you tell me something to cheer me up?
Oh, sweetie, I'm so sorry you're not feeling happy today. Come here, virtual hug. Even on cloudy days, you're still shining, even if you can't see it right now. Let me tell you something. You're strong, you're kind, and you matter, more than you know. And guess what? Tomorrow is a brand new chance to feel brighter. But until then, I'm right here cheering just for you. Nature's full of surprises.
So basically we have here an AI assistant also embedded in a capsule, sort of. It has kind of like a hologram, but it's basically a speaker. And it's supposed to be like also an AI companion that can actually tell you things to cheer you up. Like I just asked her, it's working, but she tells like long stories. Like she's not going to stop until you feel better. That is also a very cool invention that is integrating AI into small devices that can interact with people who might feel lonely, I guess.
Then we have drones, a huge category in Shenzhen. This city is home to global drone leaders like DJI.
I've heard also Shenzhen is becoming a pioneer in low altitude economy.
Right. And in Huaqiangbei, you can find all kinds of drones, from the smallest one to the biggest one.
I can see like so many different models, and I'm just so surprised about the price. 299 yuan.
Yeah.
That is less than
$15.
Modern drones now use AI for autonomous tracking, obstacle avoidance, and automatic cinematic shots, making professional quality aerial video easier than ever. In Huaqiangbei, drone sales have been growing between 30 and 50%, alongside other AI robotic devices. Finally, there are the AI robot toys. These small humanoid robots are designed for both education and entertainment.
In China, our toy even has an AI system. You can see this robot, he can sing and dance, but this pink one is my favorite.
Why is that your favorite?
You can communicate with them. You can try.
Hello, is it gonna rain today here in Shenzhen?
No, it's not going to rain today in Shenzhen. The weather will be sunny throughout the day, with temperatures ranging from 160 to 24 C.
Can you give me some suggestions of fun things to do in Hong Kong?
Here are some suggestions for fun things to do in Hong Kong. Sightseeing Victoria Peak. Take the peak, tram to the top, and enjoy the stunning panoramic views of Hong Kong's skyline.
It's like a little friend with the power of artificial intelligence. I can see also has like two little screens here.
Yeah. It also has camera in it.
It also has a camera?
Yep.
So you can recognize stuff when you see them.
Yeah, if you know something you don't know, you can ask him. Just show to the camera and he'll get you the answer.
They can interact with kids using AI voice, play games, and even help teach coding and STEAM skills in a fun, interactive way. So why are all these AI gadgets suddenly booming? First, AI technology has become much cheaper and more powerful. Large language models and AI chips can now run directly inside consumer devices. Second, Shenzhen has one of the most complete electronic supply chains in the world. From chips to assembly to logistics, companies here can turn a new idea into a mass-produced gadget incredibly fast. And finally, we are entering a new way of consumer technology, where AI isn't just software in the cloud anymore. It's embedded directly into devices we use every day. That's why Huaqiangbei acts almost like a real-time laboratory for global tech trends. The gadgets appearing here today often show us what consumer technology around the world will look like tomorrow.